Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the online PE class. I'm sure this is very interesting and you'll love it. We are going to learn few things and we are going to do an experiment on our exercise and on our heart rate. And this is very simple and I'm sure you're going to have a good time and you will enjoy it. So for that, you need to open your Google Classroom and I'm sure that you have all the things ready which I asked you to get it. So step one is to go to your Google Classroom and go to the classwork. Once you press the classwork, you're gonna get this page here and press on this page and you'll find the Google Docs here. Open the Google Docs and you'll see this is just dummy account, so you'll find your name here and you'll see the page effect of exercise activity on your heart rate. So the things you needed, I'm sure you have it right now, is a piece of paper so that you can note your heart rate, and a pen and pencil, and a timer to see the time of the exercise and the time of your heart rate. Like you should take a heart rate just for a minute, not more, not less, and note it on the paper. And you should have someone to take a video of yours so that I can see how nicely you are doing exercise, the form of your exercise, and see how you are participating. And you can save it on your Google Drive and send me the link. And once I have done seeing your activity, you can delete it, and that's okay with me. All I need to do is see how you're doing the exercise and how well you are participating. So on the page you will see steps, the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and there are only 5 steps. The step 1 is very simple. You go to the link and press on the link, and that will take you to the YouTube site, and here you will learn about how to take your heart rate. I'm sure you know it. There are different ways of doing that. You can look at the link. The full video, it's only a very short video for a minute. So very important thing, you take on your right arm towards the thumb side with your 2 fingers. You can do on yourself or you can ask someone to measure your heart rate. Practice few times so that you get the correct way, and we are still in a learning process, so that's okay, but do it for a minute, only for a minute, and that's why you need a stopwatch. Some people take only for 10 seconds and multiply by 6. So you, if your heart rate is in 10 seconds is 10, that will be a 60 in a minute, and that's the right way of doing that. Many people do that way, or you can take all the way from for 60 seconds. That's okay too. Whatever, ask your partner to practice few times so that you get the right heart rate. Once you know your resting heart rate, that is for 1 minute. The resting heart rate is when your body is at rest and you are not doing any heavy activity. um, and normal people have a heart rate from 50 to 80 and anywhere between that is okay. So whatever is your heart rate, write it down on the piece of the paper, and that's the step 2. And step 3 is you have to perform 3 exercises. The 3 exercises are jogging on the spot for 5 minutes. So like jog on the spot for 5 minutes, ask your partner to look at the timing and take a video of yours. You're running, I want to see your knees going high and run on the spot. And the second one is doing the squats. You can put your hands in the front of the chest and go for the squats. I'll show you how to do that. So after you run on the spot, then you're gonna go for the squats for 20 times. And then the third one is sit-ups. 10 sit-ups. I know you know how to do 2 sit-ups. We have done that in PE class so many times. So that's it. And then record it on the paper, and then